So this is my favourite track. I'm going to see if we can get some coverage. The way I see it now is that it's only the upper middle classes who are essentially government. Government is 40% privately educated individuals, and it's these policymakers who are sucking up to the billionaires and letting them do what they want, and blind to the fact that they're losing everything. I think everyone else can broadly see it. I think. Let me know what you think. So yeah, I've got a new little buddy to watch over me. Aldous Huxley taught George Orwell at Eton for a brief moment, and that's my context. I'm an Eton boy. I'm not massively proud of it, but my mum and dad did extremely well to send us all there. I was hoping actually that we could get a bit of it's a 10-mile-an-hour wind. We might be able to go a bit faster before we lose Captain Nemo. So that's 26 mile an hour. He's doing alright, he's keeping up. Yeah. So what are you going to do when you get to the top? He's not going to come round, pretty sure of that. But he's going to do his best to get across there. Look at that, look at him go, go on. And then I'm going to turn again. There's Yon Combine. Are you going to come across? Don't really want the irritate the farmer too much. It's fun having something else to concentrate on. Yeah, so because the kitchen refurbs have dried up. Yeah, I'm a painter and decorator, house painter. I've got literally no work. Might be a bit too expensive. Because Mr. Stevenson was extolling the virtues of giving up on the kitchen refurb. Stop worrying about brass buttons, and let's not cross this road up here because we'll get in a spot of bother. Land in the hand, mofo. Who's a clever little drone. Oh, he's come right down. He didn't like it up there. So I'm also an artist. I make paintings, pretty old school, nothing super exciting. So yeah, this is a really nice old road. I love this. So we're doing 13 mile an hour. I don't really trust this machine, having lost it once already today. He's doing it. He is doing it. I think he's gonna... Is he gonna do it? He's doing it. Bloody slowly. I think he'll lose me. Got a corner coming up. Let's see if I go past it. Then he'll have to follow me. Will he follow me? Lost him. Little bugger.